Hello, hi and welcome to this channel. This video is the unboxing of a multi-purpose foldable table and you will also see the uses. So without any delay, let's get started. Like suppose for reading books, you can keep in this position or this position, and for cutting vegetables you can keep it as a table, and many more uses to come. You can use your laptop by keeping on this. And you can play cards also. This is fun. You can use this as a dining table also. So, the last but not the least, you can use like this for reading books. If you are uncomfortable, then you can adjust your position like this. And also you can have your coffee while you're reading. Now let's have a close-up look of this table. Come on. So this is it guys. I hope you liked the video. For more such videos, keep subscribed and click on the bell icon for not to miss an update. Thank you. Bye.